Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Atlas, Lionel, MTH, and RMT, so let's get started. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas will be producing an exclusive 8-car set of 70-foot heavyweight passenger cars commemorating the Dixie Flyer passenger train for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The original Chicago to Miami passenger train was a cooperative effort between the Chicago and Eastern Illinois, Louisville and Nashville, Nashville, Chattanooga and St. Louis, Atlantic Coast Line, and Florida East Coast Railroads. The cars will be decorated as follows: baggage car L&N number 296 in Pullman green, baggage car L&N number 1410 in black with Dixie Flyer graphics, coach car C&EI number 475 in blue and gray colors, coach car NC and STL number 742 in blue and gray colors, RPO car L&N number 1096 in blue and silver colors, combine car L&N number 1603 in blue and gray colors, dining car C&EI number 2800 the Dixie Traveler in blue and gray colors, and observation car L&N number 334 Churchill Downs in blue and gray colors. The 8-car set is expected to arrive in mid-2025 with an early order price of $899.64. Atlas O will also be producing an 8-car heavyweight passenger set commemorating Soo Line's The Laker for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The set will include baggage cars number 623 and 1625, coaches number 2017 and 402, combine car number 359, RPO number 390, dining car number 1253 Bowbells, and observation car number 758. The 8-car set is expected to arrive in mid-2025 with an early order price of $899.64. Lionel Trains will be producing 2 special scale-sized, steel-sided reefers for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The cars will be available in Texas Special and Aberdeen, Carolina, and Western colors. The cars are expected to arrive in mid-2025 and are priced at $99.99 each, or both for $189.99. In conjunction with Atlas O, MTH Electric Trains will be releasing 2 2024 Premier O-Scale ES44 diesels in CSX Heritage colors this winter. The models will be available in Chessie System and Western Maryland Heritage colors for $629.95 each at MTH authorized retailers. Models are expected to arrive in January 2025. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-Scale SD50 diesel locomotive in Chicago Northwestern colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trades. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and are slated to arrive in December 2024. The early order price is $559.99. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-Scale SD50 in Reading and Northern colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and are slated to arrive in December 2024. The early order price is $539.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced exclusive Premier O-Scale Fish Belly Hopper cars in Virginian and Wabash colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Each road name will be packaged in 2 single-car and 2 6-car sets, with each car sporting unique car numbers. They will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in November 2024. The early order price is $62.96 each, or $349.95 for a 6-car set. Ready-Made Trains will be producing an exclusive High Iron Dairy 36-foot reefer for Train World. The cars are expected to arrive in December 2024 with a pre-order price of $31.99 each. Check the RMT webpage for more available road names. And it may be warm outside now, but cool autumn nights will soon be here. So be prepared with an official licensed railroad sweatshirt from Daylight Sales. Choose from dozens of railroad or other designs in the latest styles. Follow the link in the video description for more details. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from the links on this page. And watch our long-form Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.